back to our channel. Guys, how are you all doing? I hope you guys are bouncing in the Lord. Yeah, that is the most important thing. You are strong and healthy. That is the number one thing. So today we are making cocoyam soup. But first of all, I want to thank all my returning subscribers, people that always tune in whenever we upload. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for your love and support. If it's your first time of seeing me, my name is Chinwe. In this channel, I do a lot of delicacies. So stick around and let's do this cocoyam soup today, Ofe Ede. Yeah. So as you can see, I have prepped all the ingredients that I'll be using for this soup. Yeah. The meat that I will be using. Here are the meats. Yeah, I have cow leg and some beef and small shaki. You know, I have crayfish. I have this fish. We call it bonga fish. Yeah. So I have a roasted mackerel. I roast it myself. So here I have my ogiri. Yeah. So in this place I have a bitter leaf and my palm oil. Don't just mind the palm oil, it's sleeping. So of course, you know, I don't joke with my spinach. Yeah, I would like to throw in some vegetable, that is fresh vegetable. So here I have my cocoyam. I have already boiled it and I will start peeling the back, you know, for the soup. So that is the ingredients. So here I would like to on my it and I'll transfer all the meat in here. I'll transfer all the meat in here and I will cover it. So I will start blending. Okay, I didn't show you this. I didn't show you my red pepper and the scotch bonnet with one red onion. I will be blending it. Yeah, I'm gonna blend it now and pour inside the pot. So yes, I want to put this red onion. I like the taste in the soup. So keep watching, guys. I want to blend the onion first and the red pepper, scotch bonnet. You know, that is the first thing that I'll be doing. I'll blend it and pour it in my pot of meat. So I'm adding the crayfish. I'm washing crayfish now to blend it with this pepper and onion and the bonga. I'll peel the back and add it in my blender so that I will blend them. I will blend them together and pour in my pot. Yeah, I like to wash my crayfish. I like washing my crayfish. So that is it. I like washing my crayfish to avoid sand. So this bonga, I like the taste in Ofe Ede, in cocoyam soup. So what do you call this fish in your language? We call it bonga. I don't know. Bonga fish, right? And it tastes nice. Tastes really good. So guys, I'm done blending the onion and the crayfish. I will just pour it in and I will start blending my cocoyam. But first of all, I will put in the oil. Yeah, everything is ready. All there. I'll put in the oil. And even the bitter leaf, because this bitter leaf is dried one. It's dried bitter leaf, but I boiled it for some minutes before washing it. So I will put it in so that it will get more softer. So guys, I will start peeling my cocoyam. I used to boil my cocoyam with the skin, so I'm peeling it now. To blend. I didn't add the water. It's only the meat stock and this crayfish and the scotch bonnet that I blended now. So because I supposed to be careful, I need to be careful because of this cocoyam. I will be blending it blending it with water again, so that the water will not be so much. So guys, I'm done blending the cocoyam, so I will pour it in. And I will rinse it again with water. So I'll rinse it and pour in. So this is how the soup is looking so far. I will now start to debone my mackerel. So this mackerel is so good, so sweet in cocoyam soup. In short, in every soup, safe. Good. I'm putting my mackerel. I'll debone it. And I will put so guys, I'm adding my ogiri. So guys, I'm adding my milk here. So guys, let's check on our soup and see if it's ready to receive the receive the spinach. Yeah, the soup is doing well. It's okay now to put my spinach. So now I will put my spinach. So let's check on our soup. So guys, this is how the soup is. This soup, Igeji and no the bashia for the soup is ready. It's pretty ready, guys. I will turn off my heat. So guys, I'm done making the soup. The soup is so ready. But I would like to test it for you, because all this while I haven't tested. So let's test. I like this part. Oh my god, this part is my favorite. The testing part of cooking. If you're cooking, just call me to come and test for you. So good. Oh my god. That is why I added my bitter leaf earlier. You know, it will soften more. The bitter taste of it with the sweetness of ogiri, and oh my god, the sweetness of ogiri Igbo with blended crayfish and blended bonga fish and onion, and that's oh my god. This soup, I wish you are here. It's so good. It tastes real village soup, like imago Ofe Ede in Nigeria. The only thing that lacks in this soup is okporoko, that is stockfish, and I'm not a fan of okporoko. I don't like okporoko that much, once in a while, you know. So everything is on point here. So thank you guys for watching today's video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. I know you will like it. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't. I love you all. I love you. Stay blessed always, and stay positive.